While in Cancun, I stopped by to visit the fun amusement park called XENSES. It's kind of like senses, but spelled with an X. Anyway, this video is going to take us through that. I hope you enjoy it.
Recorrido en la selva a bordo de unos pequeños camioncitos que se conocen como anfibios. Se conoce la actividad. ¿Y qué más? ¿Qué otra actividad? Hay otra tirolesa. Esta tirolesa sí es acuática, aunque es una marca en la cual nos subimos y de pronto lo vamos a
Gracias.
Hola, caballero.
Hello.
Únicamente me va a apoyar en el brazalete, lo voy a ayudar, ¿vale? Dame. Dale vuelta. Aquí, justo en el lector rojo, ¿vale? ¿Lo voy a ayudar? Listo, adelante, por favor. Bienvenido.
Gracias. The cool thing about the wristband is it allows you to get pictures from the park. And you'll see a lot of us doing that. They were really helpful for people in wheelchairs like myself. Here she's telling us some of the things that the park provides to make the experience more enjoyable for people like me. Okay, hold it up for a minute. They have cameras set up in lots of different places, and you put your wristband close to the little light, and then it'll automatically take a picture of you. Fun stuff. Don't throw them easy.
What should I do?
Like you're saving me. And now I will save you. That one down there. Each time we take one of the pictures, I show you a quick flash of what the picture looked like. Coming up in this video is a room full of mirrors. I give the camera to my partner and she accidentally crashes into a wall.
Ay. Try to scan it. Again.
What if we are lost?
Back to back.
Not what? What?
I was going to put us back to back, but I couldn't turn around quick enough.
No.
I'm going to go in that.
But you can move here. I can do it.
Oh, you're very lovely.
Okay. I want a last picture, like if I'm lost and alone.
Okay, I'm going to have you do it again without the camera. Okay, now here comes one of the most spectacular parts of this park. Basically, you're going to see it at the end of this tunnel. Nos vamos a mojar. The expression on my face, it's like, I can't go up that hill. Oh my God, this is weird. I was like, I can't go up this hill. Oh my God, that is weird.
Look at the water. It's going up.
That is weird.
It's a weird place.
This is the most weird that I felt. Espera. Lean that way, yeah. Oh my God, this is weird. This feels so weird. Okay. This is the best optical illusion I've ever seen. This is downhill. Notice the water flowing in the opposite direction. I can coast this direction. Now for the caves. The cool thing about this part is you're able to float down the rivers. doesn't look like it can see very good.
De cualquier manera pueden volver a recorrerlo si lo necesitan. Adelante, señora.
Nos vamos a sentar de esta manera frente a la pared.
Ya. No, we can't go that way, Mateo. No, we can't. Because para allá no.
Dame la niña la mochila y ve a divertir.
The final part of this video is all those photos we took at those special photo moments. Enjoy!
Bus doors hiss, hot air hits. First step in, yeah, this is it. Map in hand, but we just roam. Stand right there, pose on the phone. Tilted town, floor feels wrong. Laugh so hard, we trip along. Mirror wall, stretch my face. Click, 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 say this place. Click accents, freeze that smile, don't miss it. Turn around, new angle, let the colors twist and tangle. Snap it, send it, every shot, we're in it. Whole day in these frames we make. Memories in pixel waves. Water slide, I shut tight. Burst of bloom, sudden light, hidden door, secret view. Wait, don't move, I lean on you. Upside down, sky below. Someone yells, go stand in the glow. Feet in mud, hands up high. Click one jump, we're in mid-flight. Click accents, freeze that smile, don't miss it. Turn around, new angle, let the colors twist and tangle. Snap it, send it, every shot, we're in it. Whole day in these frames we make. Memories in pixel waves. La 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 la. Sun dips slow, still chasing signs. One more pick, we're way past time. Eyes are tired, shirts all wet, but there's one last spot we haven't hit yet. Hey! Click accents, freeze that smile, don't miss it. Turn around, new angle, let the colors twist and tangle. Every shot, we're in it. Whole day in these frames we make. We don't leave, we just get saved. La 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 la. One last flash, then we go. Parking our phones, Cancun in our bones.